How to redeem rewards codes on Monopoly Go. To begin, if you're currently redeeming reward codes for Monopoly Go using your computer or laptop, simply open your favorite web browser. For this tutorial, I'll be using Google Chrome, so let's navigate there now. Once you've got Monopoly Go on your Android or Apple device, all you need to do is sign into your account and play a match. After that, you can visit the provided website link. If you already have the app installed, clicking the link will automatically redirect you to the game and give you the code. However, if you haven't downloaded the app yet, clicking one of these reward links will guide you to download the game first. Another way to obtain a code or reward is by purchasing the latest Monopoly board game from Hasbro and Scopely. Inside the box, you'll find a unique alphanumeric code, which you can redeem online for exclusive prizes, such as the Premium Gold Mr. Monopoly Player Token, and more. Once you've bought the board game, simply enter the code into the game after logging in. And that's it. These are the steps to redeem rewards in Monopoly Go.